Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Did you ever try my soy chicken wings? Today I'm gonna make a soy whole chicken. It's so easy to make and so delicious. Soy chicken in Chinese is 酱油鸡. Let me show you the simple ingredients. I have one chicken, it's about 3 pounds, and I brined about 2 hours in the refrigerator. You just need to dissolve about 2 tablespoons coarse salt, and this way the chicken will be juicy and tender. And I have ginger, just need some slices. That should be enough. And half of a red onion. You can also use regular onion. Just cut into pieces like this. It really gives good flavor. And green onions, we just use the white part. What do I always say? White part for flavor, right? You see if they're green. And brown sugar. So you can use regular brown sugar or even regular sugar. This is the sugar, brown sugar I got from Asian market. It's like a sugar bars. And you just need one piece like this. Now I'm going to just rinse the chicken. Now I just need to pat dry the chicken with paper towels. And we're ready to cook. I'm heating up my wok to high heat. And the wok very hot. We add some oil. I'm using canola oil. First, we're going to stir fry our onions, ginger, it's about a minute. Should add more oil. Now we're going to brown our chicken. After about 2 minutes, flip to the other side. Wow, beautiful. Brown about another 2 minutes. About another 2 minutes, add soy sauce. I use light soy sauce. About a cup. Rice wine, if you have it, or Shaoxing cooked wine. And followed by warm water. Loosen up a little bit. Also add our green onions and brown sugar. Bring this to boil. Now the water is boiling. Just make sure we baste it. And we're going to turn the heat to medium low. Cook about an hour or till our chicken almost done. In between, we're going to check it. So after about 40 minutes, let's check our chicken and make sure we baste it. Now we're gonna cover it, cook about another 30 minutes. Now after another 30 minutes, let's check out our chicken. Turn the heat to high. I'm going to get rid of some of the broth. So we're going to thicken it. Now remove most of the broth. We also baste it. Give another 10 minutes till the gravy is thickened. After about 10 minutes, you can see our gravy is thickened and got a beautiful color. I'm just brushing it. And our chicken's ready. Looking great.
Wow.
Smells wonderful. Are you ready to try?
I'm ready to try.
Get a piece. Let me cut a few pieces. Wow, looks good. Are you ready to try?
I'm ready to try. Looks delicious.
Wow, looks tender. Let's try it. Cheers to Thanksgiving. Wish everybody happy Thanksgiving. Either you cook turkey or chicken.
Wow. That's really delicious.
Tender. Very good.
Super tender. And the flavor is completely through. It's really good.
I think the brining helps.
Definitely.
Yeah. And we just want to wish everybody happy Thanksgiving. We're so grateful for all of you, for your love and support. Wish you a happy and safe and a wonderful Thanksgiving. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.